On the Dream Machine, there is no embroidery edit on the home screen. So when we bring in a PES file, you need to know where to edit the colors so that you can change those colors to applique material to use in your ScanNCut machine. We're going to select Embroidery. Choose from the USB stick and then select the PES file that you'd like to change the colors of. Choose Set. Press the Edit button. This is actually your embroidery edit for the Dream Machine. Press the Color Change button, and you'll notice that you have thread colors and up and down arrows. You can scroll through, and you want to find the piece by touching on each piece. That's the placement stitch for the embroidery. You'll notice that there's a tile up there that shows you what it looks like. You would press Appliqué Material to change the color. Find the next piece of the applique, that's the placement stitch, and then change its color to applique material. There's one more piece. Locate it, touch its tile, change it to applique material, and press OK. Now select the memory button to save it to the USB stick and choose USB. This will save it to the USB stick so that you can take it to your ScanNCut machine as a PHC file to cut. The latest update to our ScanNCut machines allow us to cut PHC files that have been coated with the color applique material for their placement stitches. We're going to select Pattern and then choose Save Data. Choose from USB, and then we'll select the B pocket. This is where the Dream Machine saves designs out to. Choose the PHC file that you'd like to cut and choose OK. You'll notice that you have three pieces, A, B, and C. These are your applique pieces that you color coded. Choose A and then click OK and press Set. Choose Add. Choose piece B, click OK, and choose Set. Choose Add, choose piece C, and then click OK and Set. Now move the pieces away from the edge of the cutting mat so that you can resize them. If they're on the edge, you can't resize. Press the Edit button and choose Resize. We're going to increase the size of each applique piece by 1 millimeter and click OK. Do the same thing for the second piece and then this last piece, resizing each of them by 1 millimeter. You can move them around on the screen or go ahead and choose to scan your fabric. We're going to scan our fabric. Press OK and then press Scan. The fabric will scan after you press Start. Once the fabric's scanned in, you can move your pieces around to place them on the fabric where you'd like them to be cut. Press OK. Press Cut and then press Start. The fabric will cut. Now that our fabric is cut, let's peel away our excess fabric from the mat so that we can see our pieces. The purple piece cuts perfectly. However, the green one, I know from experience, has a couple of attachments. That's because when I looked at the digitizer had not closed those areas in. They had created it as an outline, and there weren't stitches in those spots. Therefore, the ScanNCut machine did not know to cut those. If you simply snip those ends, you'll be off to the races and ready to do your embroidery. And that's how you cut using a PHC file and the ScanNCut with your Dream Machine.